It's nice to be home, and being a northern school and all the travel that we have to go through, cold or not cold, it's just nice to be home.
First game at Bart Kaufman, it was great. The fans were unbelievable, sticking it out to the cold. That was crazy. We really appreciate that, and it was really a really good turnout, and it was awesome. Coming out at Texas Tech, we really just hadn't gotten out on the field much, and just right now the team's rolling, we're clicking, we're having good practices, everybody's staying into the game, really good intensity, and I like our chances.